According to entrepreneur and founder of Tuli Line, Tulimeo Kapanga, her skincare and health products produced from the indigenous baobab tree have undergone laboratory testing among other tests at a very high cost over a period of more than a year per sample. Kapanga explained that each step in the process incurs a different cost, making it difficult for small businesses or startups to afford and sometimes complete certification processes. Despite these limits, Kapanga said the interest local retailers show in entrepreneurial products are the best option for local entrepreneurs in terms of market access and product visibility.
The challenge is certification. So, and there are different types of certifications. Those that are mandatory by law, those that are voluntary, that industry put on top of the mandatory ones. So now it depends on how flexible the retailers are. So, and it also then depends on how ready the producers are. But then there is definitely that cordial relationship between producers and the retailers. The relationship with SPA comes a long way. Yeah, beyond the relationship with the incubation center. But then, of course, what's going to change is the fact that with certification, with improved products quality, so SPA is going to increase its quantities, as she said. And apart from SPA, other shops are likely to come on board as well, because now we're producing from an environment which is also certified. Yeah.
But even though I did not export them because I don't have a certificate, so that is where we are a bit lagging behind.
Entrepreneur and co-founder of NT Okawa Trading, Puyeshi Kukutu, explained that her food and beverage products made from Omahangu cannot be certified beyond a local compliance level due to drought, which does not allow the business to produce on a large scale. Regular availability of the products is one of the Namibia Standard Institute's requirements to meet product certification.
The only problem is because of drought in our country, we're unable to provide. Yes, especially making big quantities. So that is what we are struggling with. So we really want to get into the shops, but just drought. So now we have to go to the neighboring country, which is now in Angola, and it's still difficult because sometimes they also run out of stock. So that is the only struggle that we are mostly having. So this, we call it oshikundu. It's made from pearl millet. So we try to put it in the shops, but you can't bottle the liquid. It will explode.
Kapanga also mentioned that for organic certification of products, a scientist is brought in from outside the country as the tests are not done locally. She said this also incurs extra costs beside the sampling and testing requirements of the Namibia Standards Institute.